Anybody using Wispr? Can anybody raise your hand from yesterday? Anybody using Wispr? I think Sarath. Yes. Okay, no. So okay, so Wispr you can download. This is very simple. So from today it will be very helpful. Install but not yet. So Wispr first, how it will be helpful for you. So this is the tool you can download, and once you will configure here now, you need to configure the setting like which keywords will speak for you. So from here, so I hope you can see my screen, and from here whenever you will speak anything now, so it will do. Anyway, I'm going to show you, and from here you can change the which keywords you need to type. So this is the Wispr tool. Okay, it is not free, but you can use free by switching multiple AI tools. Okay, this multiple email ID. This is one thing. And second thing is also use handy. Okay, so handy AI voice, handy AI, wait one second, handy AI voice. Okay, so this is the open source. Yeah, so this is the handy. So this thing also you can use. So basically it is open source, and it also support more than like 47 language. So there is no problem. Hindi, English, Telugu, kuch bhi use kar sakte ho. So this is the two tools I would suggest that you no need to type anything in this journey, like whatever we are learning. Okay, as I today told you, one is Wispr and one is handy. I'll do one thing, I will write, otherwise again you will ask me. So first thing what I told you, could you please write in the chat? One is Wispr, one is handy AI. Okay. So this is for, it will generate for you voice to text. Okay, so everybody, you explore this thing out of this call, or if you want to download now, you can download. Wispr is, again, it will be 200 free, and handy is completely free. You need to set up in your local I don't think handy will be for Windows operating system. I don't have other platform. I don't have idea whether it will be, yeah, for Windows it is available. Okay, so if it is MSI, so you can configure, because it gonna be help you lot of time. Okay, maybe you don't have idea about this much of powerful tool, so it will save a lot of times. Wispr and handy, just download. It is very simple things. Handy also download and configure in your setting. Just configure like your email ID and login, log out, something you can do here. Account you can switch. Okay, as you can see here today, for my 1800 is remaining this week. Okay, if it will expire, I will switch the email ID. I don't want to pay. Okay, so same thing you can do here. Coming to our main things. So as you know that we have covered couple of tools like Gemini Express. I have explained you how to use, and also everybody knows about ChatGPT. So today I'm going to talk about high level that how you gonna be like learn, and how you gonna be build the entire system, especially whoever is looking for job seeker. Today opportunity is, you know, a lot of jobs are there, especially if you will go on Upwork, Fiverr. Can anybody hear me? Can you respond properly? Anybody?
Yes, Ali.
Yeah, thanks. So today, if you will see that, if you will go on Upwork or Fiverr or any platform, so lots of job opportunities are coming, not only for freelancer, but also for vibe coder. So I want to showcase you guys how you can learn all these things, and how properly from vibe coding to real Next.js, React.js, Python, Django, backend infrastructure, AWS, how you can become the expert, so that apart from job also, how you can do do the work from Fiverr, Upwork also. So the agenda is, with the help of AI, we'll build a system for you where you can. Please tell me about Stitch, sir. Yeah, sure. What's your name? Kumar Dhanunjaya Kumar. Okay, we'll do one thing. If we will do more now, so it might waste our time. But yeah, I will try to do something Stitch. Okay, done. So guys, like, please try to understand that this session is all about to you, and to how you can use all these AI tools in generally daily I'll use. And this is the session like wherever I will keep like which day what I'm discussing and what are the tasks. If you are building the task, if you are learning the task, I am giving you the surety. You will not just learn AI tools, it will be helpful for your jobs and job search, and you want to build your startup, so it will be very helpful, because all those tools I'm exploring from last more than 5 years. This is the my teams, and my teams also using. Okay, so I want to give it to all of you. Please use this thing. Don't think that this is any paid tutorial YouTube watch. So please use all of these things. Okay. And coming to Stitch, somebody is asking. So yesterday also I have explored about Stitch. So what I will do, I will go to some things. Okay, tell me something that who has used yesterday Stitch and what you have built. Anybody? Anything? Can you comment in the chat? What's your name? Sai Bhavya. Okay, Bhavya, what you have built? Please text me in the chat. Is there any another person who have used Stitch in your life anytime? Sarath, nice. I want a more response from this group. You know that I'm very getting Vishnu sir. Yeah, allow now, sir. So I know that. I want to say one thing, guys. Yesterday, I got to know that in this group, like more girls is posting on LinkedIn, very less boys is posting on the LinkedIn. So I would say that, boy, you also do a post on LinkedIn, showcase that you are building in the community, showcase that you are also learning. I'm not doing anything partially saying, but I saw I got amazed like by saying so many Bhavya, Harsha, and so many people like Sarath also did, yeah. But I want a more Sarath, I want a more participant, like everybody build and showcase that. If you will not build, just come and join this thing. If you will also not come in the classes and you will just watch my recorded classes, so you're gonna be nothing learn. So here you will build with me like whatever I'm doing. So everybody please learn and build with me and showcase in public. Okay, it will be very helpful. Coming to our main topic, so guys, what we will do, a couple of I saw yesterday some students, some learners you have built. I'll show you Stitch. So Stitch is very powerful tools now. Most of the MCPs are available. Sai Bhabe, I have built a clean perfume website, sir. Okay, nice. Is there any another person? So we'll do one thing. Welcome to Stitch. What we will do, a couple of people already we have done. Within 5 minutes, I'll show you this thing. Then we'll go with new tools. What is the today main program? And from there you can continue that thing. Okay. So I will write some. I will open again the chat GPT. Okay. I will open again, and I will go here. I will go with the Bhavya idea. So Bhavya is saying that I have already built a perfume website, or what we can do, we can, yeah, perfume everybody wants. So I will say here the idea. So basically, I want to build one perfume website. That perfume should be specifically for everybody, like boys and girls, and especially I am looking for Gen Z kind of mindset, and I want really engaging, and it should follow Apple principle design. Font should be very minimalistic, and I want that whenever somebody is coming on the website, they should not leave the website. I want the better CTA so that people can fill the form. I also want the better engaging things, section, footer, header. You decide for perfume what I have to build. So write correct prompt for me so that I can design the entire system by using Google Stitch. So help me on that out, so that how can I put directly the prompt inside Stitch, so that I will get the idea, I will get the visualization of the complete landing page or product. So with the help of Whisper, I told my mindset. Okay, even though you can use this mic also, I think everyone, you are able to see my screen, huh? I think yes. I think yes. Yeah. So I told here, do this thing. My target is Gen Z. Okay. And I explain here. Now what will happen? This AI LLMs, it will first of all summarize what I'm trying to ask, and it will find out what is the intention of this thing, okay, object of this thing. Based on that, it will write actual prompt for me, rather than jumping into stitch. If I will go there I need to write more. Maybe AI might not be able to segment which segment I'm trying to speak. So every time use ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will give you the exact prompts what you should keep inside stitch, based on the your idea. And this prompt, what you need to do, you need to just copy and you need to give it inside the stitch. Okay, so that stitch will do jobs for you. Stitch is nothing about, it is designing tools. I hope that couple of people that. And what I will do now, I will just copy this thing. Okay, and I will copy here and I'll go to the stitch. Okay, till here anybody has any idea like what we are trying to do? I think everybody, you are listening me, right? Like what I'm trying to build. And see here, it given everything, like it given the prompts, it given the philosophy, design philosophy. It also give the brand personality. It gave me the color palette, how it will work, what are the things I need to keep. Okay, charcoal, matte black, that most of the perfume will be this kind of. So from my idea, they gave me the accurate prompt. Okay, in terms of each section by section, for men, women, and okay, for large project, okay, which kind of fragments. So everything it given in a accurate way. And also it given me the idea like for the lead generation. Okay, now what I will give here, I am not going to speak anything in the stitch. All those things, FAQ, header, footer, experience of how the user will look like. Okay, also they are saying that copyright styles and goal, everything I will just copy from here. Okay, and I'll go to the stitch. Should I go with app or mobile? Tell me, what do you want? What do you want? Which design you want? Anybody, what design you want? Who asked this question? Web, mobile, web, web. Okay, I can see so many comments, web and mobile. So I'll do one thing. I'll go with a web. Okay, so that better you can expand more, because web will be better for in terms of responsibility. I'll go here. I'll paste here. And one more things, guys, I think I haven't told you. Here is also the palettes. So Stitch has also their own principle. Like these are the patterns. Like in coding we have HOC pattern, we have we have HOC, we have some another like high some different patterns are there. Okay, I forgot now. So in Stitch, in coding, in coloring also we have like water morphogen, something is there, water glass morphogen. We have different. So these are the default design here. Okay, and okay, Naveen is saying go with app, because yesterday web is already done. Okay, Naveen, we'll go with mobile also. Don't worry. So mobile and both web is same. No problem. But we need to change after doing this thing. We need to change this thing. Okay. So if you want to give your own, any kind of design patterns, from here you can open and you can add here. Okay, no problem. Here you can define anything. If you have any GitHub repo, or from Reddit, if you want to follow, no problem. But if you want to, means if you have any like atomic structure, like we have coding, we have HOC patterns, we have different kind of pattern. If you have anything from internet, you want to follow like Apple principle, some different Sahara, Candy, we will play some things. So whatever you want, you can select. Otherwise you can keep the default. What I will do, I will go with anything neon. Okay, I'll go with neon. Here, guys, if you will see that, so many models are there in Stitch. And okay, but before going to that, I want to ask that, is there anyone who is facing issue, who is not able to understand my language because I'm speaking in English? So is there any problems? Sir, send this prompt. Yeah, I'm sending. Till then, I'm sending this prompt. Comment in the group. Is there anybody getting any problem from my voice? I'm not speaking in Telugu, I'm not speaking in Hindi. All okay, sir. Okay, super. Who is saying Bhavya? Okay, so I have sent the entire prompts. You all guys, you build with me. Okay, don't just watch and don't just listen, you all build with me. So here what we will do, coming to the main topic. From here I'll take 3.a pro, because this will be the more better, and this will do better in terms of scale. And if you also don't want to type here there is an option also. You can go with the option, like you can directly talk directly, it will open. See here, it will ask. So like however you so so it will also ask you like what we are designing today, something like this. So what I will do, I will stop this thing and I will hit this thing. Remember, Stitch is going to speed up the all the Figma designer, all the Canva, all the UI UX. It is not going to change the perspective and how they are doing the jobs. This Stitch is for developer. Whenever you are doing any company requirements or client requirements, how quickly you can do, how you can quickly design from here, that is the main things. And in Stitch also they will give you the primary, secondary, ternary and everything. Okay. I think I should showcase you light. So here you can edit, you can understand what based on this your design, what they are doing, and it will generate screens for you, multiple screens. From here, suppose that once it is ready, I have already given prompt, Anand. I have given prompt in the group. I hope you are able to take the things. If not, then I'm sending you again. I have sent you. Okay. So where I was here, right? So you are able to get the prompts, right, everyone? I think yes. Sarat, can you respond? Sarat, Sravya, Bhavya.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So here I'll show you some more options. Suppose that whenever you are doing freelancing work or any managers or any jobs they are giving you, from here what you can do, from here if the work is ready, if you want to select all, you can select. You can export also. If you want to deploy Netlify Vercel level just for MVP, not MVP also, just for visualization, you can go with that. If you want to copy and you want to convert in screen and you want to paste on Canva also, like Figma, so you can also do there. I hope Figma, every developer or every basic person has idea like when we will do the Figma. So Figma is all here. The thing is like, as a developer, whenever you are getting any requirement or resources, so see, as you can see, how beautiful they have designed our requirements. I haven't done anything. I am not coder, guys. Okay. See, as you can see here, how beautifully they have designed. I just given the correct prompt and matching the themes. Okay. So it is very amazing and interesting. Okay. See here, they are giving different. Also, it is giving the font family. See, it is not giving the different font family. So from tomorrow, I will open perfume shop. So next, if you will see here, I haven't given much more things. And if I want to go and do some more things, so from here also some particular we can select, and we can deselect also. And if I want to specify some particular area, like I want to do this thing, I want to annotation. So from here, lot of things we can do. Stitch, I think you should understand from here some basic. From here you can upload your pictures and you can say replace this thing, okay? Or you can also take from here if you want to select some particular screen. So from here you can. So in short, what I'm trying to say, you can go with one by one frame. And if you want to give some styling, from here you can give also. If it is not working, you can say here create one contact form also. I want to collect the leads data. So in this way you can also go and you can also give here prompt. So this will be your next instruction, as you can see here. So Stitch is all about anybody. If you are doing now, please don't waste your money on Claude design is also good, but again for that we have to pay a $10 or $5, something like that. So Stitch is the best things. Okay, and from here you can explore a lot of things. You can annotate, you can select some particular area, you can modify from here, and you can go some particular tablet how it will look. And from here I think something is not view tips you can't ask. So save and apply. So it is taking time, as you can see here, some suggestion, it is generating contact us for us. But okay, leave it, this thing will go on next thing. So today what we gonna be do, like we are going to explore that for data analytics role. Yes, what's it, right? And yeah, what's it? So we'll say about that for AI tools for data analytics also, like how to use Emily, how you can use multiple tools. As of now, we want to start with the people who is, most of the people, they don't know the first of all development. So right now I'm covering the all of the tools especially for development, but we'll go with data analytics also. Okay, with go with how you can do with Power BI, Tableau, and if you are training data, if you are feeding, okay, if you are fine tuning. So a lot of things we gonna be cover, but go with flow and learn together. So yeah, is there anybody who is trying to build now, who is able to build with me? As you can see, contact is ready now. Contact form. Is there anyone who is able to build, design anything? Can you comment in the chat? I think I can see Bhavya. Is there anyone else? Only one. Everybody, please try to build. Okay. So this is done. Next, what we will do, I think I explain you about how to do, and here also you can give the prompts if you want to revamp anything, if you want to change, or you want to annotate any particular section. So you can also go with it. It is very customizable, and few things from here you need to check, like if you want to generate some versions, if you want to export imports. Okay, so many functionalities there. It is very easy, you can read, no anybody can do. Okay, next, so today we gonna be showcase you the powerful of how you can build any brand with the help of less coding, even though you are from real-time application front end, and how to apply real-time. How did you see this as a real-time application, just front end? But I'm not getting Navya, what you are saying, I'm not getting. Please write in short message. Sir, if you want to design another on how we can generate a structure prompt like from ChatGPT, is there any another prompt to give to ChatGPT? No, ChatGPT, see, go to the first ChatGPT and say to the ChatGPT, I want to do this thing, give me the prompt. Say your all the brains idea to the ChatGPT and say that I want to design a prompt stitch and give me the accurate prompt for that, and stitch the prompt will be ready. Then come to stitch and create your new projects or inside all projects wherever you want to go. If you want to app, if you want to web, if you want to any design pattern, you want to go pro design thinking plus here you can go. If you want to go previous projects also, from here you can go. Okay, see, in short is like if you will go here, the thing is if you will go here, so from here so many things are there. You need to just understand that how to leverage properly which AI tools, what is the timing. I'm not going to teach everything in depth, it will be waste of my time and your time also. Just try to understand that. Okay, so now you understood that anybody can do the designing. The better you will prompts will come, now designing will come. Next, what we will do from here, we'll start for the coding, how we can do the front end and back end, how we can build the system without knowing anything, zero coding idea. Okay, so but I should not say, because tomorrow I will go for coding also. I just want to showcase that how is easy for coding for coders, because in this domain it's been I'm 10 years, so I'm trying to make a fun with you, like coding and easy. But yes, the better you will learn coding, it will be very helpful. So first, what we will do, I'm going to open anti-gravity. Next today tool, I'm going to talk about anti-gravity, and based on that, I am also going to explain you how you can design this thing. But before going to that, I want to talk something about MCP. Does anyone know about MCP? Anybody has any idea about MCP? Can you raise or can you write something? What is the MCP and how it works? Can anybody message in the group? Can anybody? For designing, Bharat Kumar, for designing Stitch is better. For coding and development, integrity is better. I'll show you another tools also. So is there any person who know about MCP? Is there any person in this session, in this room today, who knows about MCP? Can you raise your hand? So, okay, I will wait and I'll explain here the MCP, how it will work. So you know that we have Stitch. So what we have done with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of Stitch, we created the UI. Okay. So MCP is kind of a tools which will make a friendship with small sub tools where the data will be shared with the help of some token, with the help of some accessible ID. I'm saying in without roughly. I'm not speaking the exact theory. So how it will work? Suppose that you have Stitch, right? You have the Stitch. You have GitHub, right? Are you able to see my screen? Can anybody respond me? So you have your Supabase, right? You have your, what is the next? You have Vercel. Suppose that Vercel, Netlify. Don't focus on my spelling if I'm writing something wrong. So, Hari, which prompts you want? Worship, worship. Okay, so MCP, what is the MCP here? Suppose that whenever we want to go and talk with Stitch, so Stitch, they will say that, okay, yes, you are AI and come and talk with me. If I want to talk with GitHub, so they will say that, yes, you come and do these services and go home. So means without MCP, what was the problem? Whenever I am going, I'm doing some particular job. Okay, so this tool will do one particular work. This tool will do for report storing the things. Supabase, it will just database or Firebase, or so many things are there. Firebase, okay, and so many another is there. Will not go deeper. So Vercel Netlify, how it will work? So it will say that, okay, if you want to deploy me, you first of all push code base here, okay, without MCP. So first of all, you post here, manually come here and connect this thing and do this thing. So blah blah blah, time waste. Now, how the MCP will work? Okay, so suppose that we have a tools. Okay, tools A. What is the tools A? Assume that tools A is your anti-gravity. I hope everybody you are focusing here. If you will not focus entire life, you will not understand what is the MCP. So suppose that MCP is your tool A. Okay. Now in between of tool A, there will be a AI layer. Okay. That AI layer will work like as a banker. Suppose that you have 500 account, 500 rupees. So what you will do, you will keep in your Google Pay or Phone Pay. So that is your AI. Okay. So from one your mobile phone and your one AI tools, what you will do, you will handle number A, you will handle GitHub. Number B, you will handle Stitch. You will handle A, B, C, D. Are you getting my points? So the thing is, in very short, I'm not speaking the exact theory. If somebody wants to learn more theory, you can go on internet and you can research about how and what is the exact MCP theory and how it will works. But MCP is going to be save a lot of times whenever we are building any products, and it is very easy now. So many people is getting fear like, what is this token, something like this. But yeah, we need to just connect properly. If we are connecting properly, it will do lot of read access, get access, delete access, put access, override, and understand what is the file, what is the segment. So this is all about, with help of MCP, we no need to go manual, manual things, and always giving the permission. And this data, it is sharing to tool A, because in between AI layer is there, and AI layer is already taking some particular, in Google Pay you have UPI. So in AI also we have project ID and some token. So all the MCP are common. Today I'm going to show you about Stitch MCP. Okay, how you can connect Stitch MCP with another anti-gravity or anything. So is that clear about MCP? Anybody has any question, any doubt, anything? Can anybody message in the chat? Any doubt, anything? Is that clear? Is that clear MCP? It comes. Is that clear? Okay, I'll take it. No doubts. That's why you are not asking. Otherwise, I will think that you guys are not active or you are sleeping. Is there any doubt? Ask me. I'll explain here. Otherwise, I'll go and I'll start from here. The next thing. Okay. MCP. What is the full form of MCP? Can anybody say here? Vishnu, what is the full form of MCP? Stitch setting. So yeah, guys, so what we will do here, from here, as you can see here, I have designed modern context protocol. So as you can see here, I have designed from here some pages. Okay, what we will do, I will go here and I will ask what is the MCP setting, like Stitch setting. Okay, so from here for every project, whenever you are creating in Stitch, whenever you are creating projects now, so you will go to the specific projects, and from here you can go to that particular setting. And if you will go bottom now, so here there is a key. What is this key? This key is your Google Pay UPI pin. If you will share your UPI pin your friends, your friend can also transfer money with others, right? Are you getting my points? Now don't ask me what is the API application programming interface something. Don't ask now. Just understand that what is going on whenever we will start Python or another things. Now within 2-3 days, all the technical things will go. I just now understand what is this API key something. Okay. So what we will do, we will just ask a permission. Okay, we will ask a permission. Can you create one API key for me, so that I want to set up, I want to take this API key and I want to open the anti-gravity. If you don't know anti-gravity, so from here you can download. Okay, anti-gravity is a tools. Okay, it is powered by Google only. You have Mac OS, Windows and Linux. You can download for yourself. Okay, and you can download for yourself and you can run. It is very simple step. Okay, I'm not going to explain in detail. So yeah, coming to the next. So what we will do here, as you can see here, I generated the keys. Okay, API key is like kind of, we are giving this permission to anti-gravity, and once you will download now, so I'll open anti-gravity. So as you can see here, so my anti-gravity is open. So I hope you guys are able to see me. Yeah. So what we will do here, already I have generated from here keys, right? So what we will do, we will take the keys and I will go to the again ChatGPT. Okay, I just want to show you very easy how you say that. Okay, so I want to say that I don't have much more idea about how to set up the MCP with anti-gravity. So can you give me the idea in very short? Where should I go and add the MCP and what are the things it will happen? Give me answer in very short. Okay. So till then, let him search and I'll go and I'll show you how to search. Okay. So that thing I did because you guys will also learn and you can also do it in a better way. So sometimes it will lag also. Not lag, but maybe for my laptop it is up. Is that done? Done? Okay, just give me 1 minute. So what we will do here, don't save. Okay, MCP later you can search. Oh, anti-gravity. So it is very easy, guys. Just follow along with me. From here, open, and what you can do, if you will see here, MCP server. Assume that I don't know coding, and you also assume that. Just follow me how you can design. Okay. So here, what we will do. Just now what I explain you about stitch, right? What we will do here, I will search here stitch. I told you already, I told you so many MCPs are there, so many connectors are there on internet. We need to understand that which tools and what is your AI brands. We need to give the what is that API key. What is the API key? API key is kind of your MPIN or your whenever you are transferring some money to your friends Google Pay. So API key is that things only. Okay, nothing secret key you can say in rough language. Okay. So what we will go here, we will go and search here stitch. Okay, because I want to get the design from a stitch, right? So we'll open stitch. See here again, I'm showing you from here. Go and search on MCP server. Okay. Now what we will do here, so here there is an option configuration. Okay. What we will do, we'll paste here the key which I copied from stitch. I have generated the design. Okay. Just now I have generated, and I will paste over here and I will make it save. Remember, once I will save this thing now, it's gonna be change everything. It will make you shocked. This it will take some time. Yeah, done. So once it is done, is it done? This is the server enable assistant to interact with anyone. Okay, so here it will give you, it will take hardly maximum 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you will see that your design will be ready and everything you can works. Okay, and from here if you will go manage MCP, so as you can see stitch MCP is ready now, and all the things, your projects, your list, your screens, your all the text, your edited screen, your granted all those things, your design, what is the principle. Okay, so through this token, okay, and your updated all those things. Okay, as you can see, go in detail later, read this thing. I'm not going your waste timing here. So if you will see here, it is giving a lot of things in detail. Now what we will do here, already MCP is connected, stitch MCP is connected. Okay, so now I will go on ChatGPT and I'll showcase you the live. Okay, so just say here, take the project ID, because MCP now you are connected. Okay, now what you will do, go to the back and take the project's ID and say to the anti-gravity, this is the my project ID. Okay, this is the my project's ID, and say to the chat GPT like write in very short prompt, this is the my project's ID and I want to design code base for using Next.js. So write very curated prompts, very small prompts for these projects, Next.js, and automatically I don't want to use terminal, I don't want to do anything, so just write very curated prompts for me. So if you will see here, and also I'm giving this project ID because this project ID is for reference, right? So two things I'm saying you again, till then it is doing work. One is the MCP I connected using AI. One is the project ID. Okay. Now what I will do, see, they given me this entire prompts. I will copy these prompts. I will go to anti-gravity and I will create here and I will paste here. If you want some dedicate folder or where to do, what to do, mention, you can also do this thing. If you want to change some token, you can also change those things. I'm going it default just to showcase you. Okay, it has given me the complete, like, create a production ready Next.js app. Okay, and this is the project's ID and generate the complete code base automatically without requiring. So it has given me the very curated prompt. Now what we will do, already I have connected Google Stitch, and this prompt based on this project ID, it will identify what is this, and I will sit like this. Okay, I'm not using anything. Now see, anti-gravity will do jobs for you. I don't know today we have times or not. Okay, but we'll try to go with another things also. Guys, whoever will join till end today, you will get something interesting things, and it will be very bonus for you. Like, you will be able to get more job supply, especially today I'm also going to build, and just you need to do allow. Okay, you just need to do allow. You no need to do anything, just allow, you will do. If it is asking anything, just keep it allow. See here, allow. See, here it is asking, giving the all the things you no need to do, just keep it allow. Allow means mostly you can read. I know this thing, that's why I'm doing fastly allow. But yeah, you can read this thing. It is just giving the all URLs and all the authentication, kind of taking the API and understanding what is the Google's things here and there. So are you guys doing anybody? Are you guys following anyone with me? Anyone? Could you please raise your hands or text anybody building with me? Who is that guy who is building? Nice, Sankar. Good. Yeah. So just do it, submit. Okay, nothing. Great. Hardly it will take 2-3 minutes. Nothing much more. Okay. Yeah. Till them, let them done. Go to ChatGPT. So now I'm going to talk about today the main thing. Okay, and how it will be helpful for your jobs, how it will be helpful for your other things. So here you're gonna be learn about how you can build and go to the production. So what I will do, so I'm a student and I'm looking for a job. So I want to build one AI resume builders. That resume will not just update my resume, also it will bring out new jobs. And I am a very freshers student. I want to build a dashboard for myself where I will upload my resume. Also, I will upload the job description. Based on that, it should improve my resume, and it should give the rating, like how much is good my resume score it should give, and also it should generate a new resume for me. Okay, give me the idea to improve resume, and give me the idea also to download PDF button new resume. It should be the ATS friendly. Okay, follow the best industry expert, like how the resume ATS resume will be there. So for that, write first of all the correct prompt, and also design and divide properly task for front end, back end, and AI layers, which module and Gemini, ChatGPT, what open models I need to use. So correctly write prompt for that. I want to build these projects with the help of anti-gravity. Give me the idea. I should use Supabase, or I should use what I should use. You decide, you take care, you take the responsibility. Give me the entire prompt for me. I want to go with the anti-gravity. So so guys, the thing is, this is gonna be most of the people now you're applying jobs, but you don't know what to do with your things. Okay, so here I have given that I'm applying the jobs, and it actually given me the idea how to build this thing. Are you getting my points? What I'm trying to build? I'm trying to build that whenever you are applying the jobs, most of the people they're applying the same resume for everything. So I'm trying to build for you with the help of this AI resume builder, where it will give you with the help of this AI, with the help of this all services and all the deployment authentication, like how you can build the system and how you can upload. Okay, how you can upload the job description, how you can analyze the things, resume builders, generator, job matcher, AI suggestions, best summary. So this is the all about the things. Okay, now what I will do, I will take this thing. I will understand what is the principle and what is the architecture it is giving. So this is the master prompt. Okay, I'll not do anything. I'll just copy this thing, and I will go to anti-gravity, and I will go for anti-gravity, and anti-gravity will do jobs for me. Okay, so here it is asking something. See here, guys, I can also create this line. Okay, I can also create Next.js or something. Why I'm not hitting npx create latest this kind of. I want to showcase you that you can also do it. Somebody is from data science or somebody is from non-coding. You don't know the coding, so you can also do. Okay, even though I can create I can create the Next.js projects, and I can Tailwind CSS SATC, and this thing I can do, but I want to showcase how you can do very fastly if any works is there. Okay, once this entire 4-5 days it will be ready. Now after that I will show you the real things. Then we'll jump for the actual where if any AI you are stuck, you can understand the Next.js or this kind of. So see here it is defining for me package.json, where the all packages will be there, all the media file, all the CSS file, all the layout file, everything AI is doing for me, guys. Okay, I no need to do anything. Okay, I'm just sitting in front of you, I'm drinking waters. Okay, I'm waiting for this thing. Okay, and I can also start another projects for those resume. Is there anyone excited today building with me? Or do you think that already you have used? Nice, nice. So hardly it will take nice. Good, good, good. Everyone build, learn, grow in your life. Just don't worry about jobs or don't stuck into the same life. Always try to improve, always try to grow. As you can see, it is asking npm start, npm install. Npm install, what will happen? All the package will come on my local system. All the packages. Now I'm not coder, I'm not doing anything, I'm just showcasing you how anti-gravity will be helpful for you even though you don't know the code base. And it is giving the step by step. Okay, npm run build means it will run your local host, or it will run your projects on local host. Okay, 3000 or 2727. So what I'm trying to say, see, anti-gravity is the very powerful thing. We need to give just build fail because of webpack error. Webpack is kind of bundle, I'm not going technically, but they will solve those errors also. Okay, npm run build, again we are doing the build fail. So what I'm trying to say, just I'm allowing. I hope you guys are learning about Vercel. I will tell you Vercel, Bharat Kumar, right? Vercel is very easy, like we can deploy our all the projects, anything. Npm run build, again there is some issue, so we'll go with submit. So Vercel, Netlify, AWS Amplify, okay, Cloudflare, all those things will tell you, go step by step. Bharat. Few people is there, they don't know coding in this group. So I want to go with the easy. I can run in fourth gear also, but I want to go with others also. So everybody should understand how to design, how to go front end, back end. So that is the motto. I hope Bharat. Ardhamainda, Bharat. What do you know? Hindi, English, Telugu. So the thing here is, as you can see here, it is ready and it is. How can I get the recording as I haven't attended yesterday and today? So I want to watch it. Signal problem. Okay, no problem. I'll give the recorded. It will be in group. So okay, coming to our own topic things, guys. So I have completed the practice generating. See here, they have generated my perfume things, and they have fetched everything. They have created all the repository. They have created the styles. Okay, SQL tools. All the things will say you Bharat, or what is that? Versus. Okay, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Core problem package. This is the package. This is the component. As you can see, they have created compilation, verification. This is the command. Okay, and they are running. Now what I will do, okay, so if I want to go for review, so from here I can go the review. As you can see here, these are the all files, all those things they have created for me. I haven't done anything. I will say here, just run this project. See how simply I'm saying. I can open terminal, I can do npm run build, npm run dev. Are you getting my points? But I'm not doing anything. This is the easiest way, guide. First of all, understand. See here, AI is doing npm run dev. Are you getting my points? So the better you know that, it look like Git repo. Yes, it look like Git repo. Everything is code structure. Everything is very easy, and you can see, guys, here. Here the our code base is ready, and this is the boom. And you can see, guys, I haven't touched any single things, and it is completely making your all the sections, collections, perfume, and whatever. See here, connect page also they have designed. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, our story, collections, ID. Okay, this is also ID. This is the connect with this thing. Okay, and this is the connect. This is the form. I guess this form they have separately. Last time we have created this form now. So yeah, see how beautifully they have designed, and it is very interesting, shocking thing for me also. Okay, so the thing is, see, we have generated here the front end. Okay, now if you will see here, this front end part, you can deploy on Vercel. Okay, you can check on GitHub also if you want to post on GitHub. You need to understand that how to better prompt to the AI. AI will do work for you. and you can see this thing. This is complete responsive mobile app also. So here what I'm trying to say, a lot of AI tools are there. The better you will give the prompt with the help of ChatGPT, it will do jobs. Most of the starting level you can do this freedom, but again coding required. Today I know the coding, that's why I'm able to happily talk with you and happily share my all the expertise. But the thing is, all these tools is completely depend on the people who know the coding. They can use work faster, and this is the things. From here we can discover the collections also. Okay, so okay, it is very interesting. So now what we will do, we will go with another we will go with Codebase. If you want to see, anybody want to see here Codebase, we can see here. Okay, and we can open the specific folders, or from here also we can review. We can go through the particular Gemini and all those things. If somebody wants to review like how the things, what is the Codebase collections. I'm not talking anything Codebase. Don't worry. Okay, don't get fear. So the agenda is today, see, with the help of Stitch, with the help of anti-gravity, without writing anything, I have generated the code base. Now, tomorrow, if you need any requirements, what you will do? You will write here the code base, you will give here the prompts, and it will do jobs for you. Does it make sense? Anyone? Does it make sense? Do you think that is it difficult or very easy? Is it easy? Do you think that anybody can do this all process, whatever I have explained? Easy, nice. Easy, nice. Great. Everyone, please try, okay, after this thing. I know that this is small things, okay. So, okay, what I have explained, I explained Stitch and anti-gravity. What we will do, we'll go with some another alternatives where we can go with the new things. What you guys want today? You want AI resume or you want a deployment? I want to deploy this thing. Can you give me the next process? What should I do? Deploy and Vercel. AI resume. Tell me next, who want AI resume or deployment? AI resume, deployment. I want to deploy this thing on Vercel. So go with the next step. AI resume, deployment, Sarath deployment, nice. Sneha deployment, Varsita deployment. Okay, we'll go with deployment. Okay, so now see, I given here the prompts. I want to deploy this thing. Now it is asking me the initiate Vercel. What is the Vercel? Who has any idea? What is the Vercel? Does anybody has any idea what is the Vercel? Hello, 1, 2, 3. Does anybody has any idea? What is the Vercel? What is the Vercel? What is the Vercel? What is the Vercel? Tell me, Wamsi or who is that? Social account is not connected to Vercel. Okay, so what we will do, we'll go with this thing. I'm saying that I want to deploy this thing on Vercel. Okay, so it started initiating projects. Okay, I don't know, but I'll go with this. Assume that this is initiation. Vercel is all about, suppose that GitHub is for all your keeping your code base, right? But how the Vercel will work? It is used to deploy front-end projects. Platform to showcase live viewer, used to deploy our projects. Nice. To showcase live viewer. Good. I think few people you are answering. Yeah, it's good. I think I need to close the session in 10 minutes. So hardly I'll see what we can do quickly. User account is not verified. Continue as well. Just give me. I'm getting, yeah. I have initiated the Vercel. See now, what it is saying, project had been linked and currently build in progress. So Vercel dashboard, I'll wait for the build and deploy. Okay. So it is asking me, first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Vercel. and till then it is doing their work in background. And Vercel will ask me the mobile number, so I need to create account. It is very easy. I will give here the contact number, and I will give here the details, and till then it is doing their job, and the production URL is ready now. If anybody wants to see here, so as you can see from here, so guys, I hope you will be able to see my screen now. So to be very frank, what it worked. So I told that I want to deploy this. I want to deploy the things on Vercel and go with the next step, right? So see what it did. It collected all the things and created a build internally, okay, and it has been deployed on here. So this is kind of link where you can share with your friends, or you can share. And are you able to see this thing? I have sent the link. So basically what it does, it deployed the product on some particular free local free server, where we not need to do much more things, and in very no need to do manual things. Anti-gravity internally, they understood that what are the prompts, what are the what are the things we need to consider. Okay, as you can see here from here, okay, and it created this is the for running. So many things it took internally, and automatically it has created for us a build. And if you will see here, so I want to showcase that where it deployed. I haven't done anything, I just given the small prompts. Are you able to see my screen? I just told that I want to deploy this thing on Vercel. Okay, so the thing here is, if you will see here, so if you will see here what it did, it automatically collected my the account which was associated with my anti-gravity. I can't share because it has some clients projects also. So indirectly what I'm trying to show guys, like if you will connect your projects with the help of all your with the help of whatever you will create, so there it will go deploy, and it will be visible for everyone. So okay, I can't showcase these things because here so many projects is there. So guys, like what you have to do, you just need to hit these prompts. Okay, you no need to do anything. It will automatically fetch anti-gravity, and it will fetch your Vercel, and it will give you the temporarily account. And if again you want to see from here, you can see your all. No, this is not the my account. So if you want to see from here, you can see, but hardly you have to give very small prompts. And I hope today you are clear what we have done in this session. Is there anyone who has any doubt or anything what we have done today, and who is able to deploy? GitHub, I'll showcase to you. What's the name? Hemant Kumar. GitHub is very easy. Why you are worrying about GitHub? I'll showcase you GitHub. From last 10 years, I'm doing GitHub. So GitHub is very easy. I will explain you. Don't worry. GitHub is just source repo, like where 676666. Wait 1 second. I'll try to showcase. I'm some getting some OTP. So you understood how quickly I did. I haven't done any npm run dev something automatically. It gave me the all steps, and I have deployed. But the thing is, here you need to understand the prompts. Okay, and most interesting thing is, if you know that which tools and when should we use, this is going to make your $1 million product in free. But properly you have to use the tokens, you have to save the timings, and you have to do the things on proper timing. If you are just using most of the projects and you are not able to do, means just you are doing the prompts and you are doing here and there. So you will waste your complete tokens and you will buy multiple AI products. So okay, we'll do one thing. Today we have to stop because it's almost very late. So I'll quick summarize what we have covered today in the session. Okay, GitHub will explain you tomorrow. So today we have explored in the session like what is the Wispr, what is the Handy, and what is that other AI tools, so that how you can use, how you can build, how you can do stitch designing, and so a lot of things. And we also get to know that what is the MCP and how you can use your own MCP when there is any uses. So today is all about live building, where we understood that Handy, Wispr, and Stitch, and Figma nothing. It is from here you can do and copy paste. Suppose that if any stitch you are creating, so from here you go and you copy, you generate from here copy, and it is very easy. You can convert, and there will be link. All these things you can explore also. But Figma AI, same thing. You can give here the prompts, and Figma will do. So most of the things we have covered, and database and GitHub tomorrow we will explain. And we also understood that what is that MCP. So this part we will explain you tomorrow with separate idea, with fresh things. So today we have discussed all these things, and also we build our own idea in 1 hour as a solo founder. Okay, and we can also integrate our on Supabase. We can do a lot of things with the help of this thing. As of now, I haven't written any single line code base from my side. Just I'm giving the better prompts, and I'm understanding the technology tools, this thing. Okay, so this is the power of anti-gravity. This is the power of MCP. Okay, you need to connect in MCP also. So many customization you can do. You can give, okay, follow this principle also, like however we have done in Stitch. So I would say that explore more about anti-gravity and Stitch, and come up with a tomorrow better idea, and share and build this all these things. Whatever you have learned, build and share in public, and showcase to the society what you are doing, what you are learning. Just sitting in the classroom and building nothing, it will not create great impact on you. So I would say that build this system, showcase that as a solo founder, as a student, as a learner, what you can build with the help of AI. How augmented AI is helping to the people without touching laptop also. Touching in the sense, just I'm touching for Whisper and Handy. Okay, without touching laptop also, how you can build the end-to-end system with the help of Stitch, with the help of anti-gravity, with the help of Gemini. We have covered yesterday Gemini. Okay, today I haven't covered. So these are the very powerful tools. In coming days we are going to cover more than 30-40 AI tools. Just stay tuned with me, and every day guys you learn, every day you grow. Certain issue for exporting MCP option was not enabling. I can do. What is the question? But I hope guys today you enjoyed the session and you learned. Okay, tell me if anybody is facing any idea, and how was the session. Share your experience. What was the things what you have learned, whether it is helpful for you today, and share in the chat. I'm watching everybody chat. Within 2-3 minutes I need to close up this thing because I'm running very out of the timing. Current stage for exporting MCP option was not enabling. How can I enable AI Studio? Don't select AI Studio. What I have to do, share prompts in WhatsApp. Sure, I will share all the prompts in WhatsApp group. Okay, what I have done for this perfume. So this is for perfume. I am going to send in the group. Dun, dun, dun. I hope guys you are enjoying today, or you are getting bored. Is that enjoying, or are you getting bored? Okay, so then we'll stop the session because it is taking more recording. So, guys, any question, anything from anyone? Hello, everyone. Hi, hi. Could you please write? Is there any question? I'm 2 minutes of people chat. After then we'll drop off. Okay. I think everybody has clear right today what we have covered and what we have learned. I'm going to share the all prompts. I'm going to share the topics. Some confusing about hosting. Who is about hosting? Bharat. Bharat, don't worry. Just go to anti-gravity. Say that I want to deploy in Vercel. Anti-gravity. Anti-gravity will find out internally whatever is your email account auth while you are logging with first time with anti-gravity. So it will find out your auth, and on those email ID, it will create indirectly kind of temporary project for you on Vercel account. So you no need to worry about. Is that clear? But no problem. In coming days, so many days I will teach about the deployment. Don't worry. I have deployed more than 500 pages, 500 product deployment. So don't worry. In coming days, many more things. Vercel, Netlify, GitHub, AWS. So many things you're gonna be see where to deploy, and GitHub Action also. So many platforms are there. Database tomorrow. Supabase. Today I thought to cover resume building, but yeah, today I got busy in this. Tomorrow I'll go with Supabase. I'll go with some database. Easy. First of all, I want to go with easy. Otherwise, you will get a fear something like that. But yeah, tomorrow I'll show you all of these things, and I'll close this thing. Today we have discussed all of this, all of these, and I explain you all these tools. I think my screen is visible or no? No, no. My screen is visible. No. If anybody wants to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Bharat, thanks, Bharat. Because I thought if I will not today share about deployment, it will not be good. I'll not do good with you. So that's why I have shared, because yeah, today plan was resume building. No problem. Tomorrow will come with fresh energy, with fresh juice, and build resume building AI so that you guys can use for you. Okay, optimization for you. So this is the entire overall things what we have discussed in the session. Okay, all over I can write here. It will be better. I can write here. If anybody wants to take a screenshot, you can take. Okay, and this part is pending, and this part is pending because of deployments. So we will discuss tomorrow. And yeah, this is the all our things what you have learned today. And we'll take a leaves, guys. Please learn, build, and always try to be surround all the tools technology. It's not about only learn in this session. Out of the session also learn and do grow, do something big in your life. If you are doing jobs, don't depend on the jobs. Learn new things. Always try to keep yourself in uncomfort zone. Okay, now also I'm learning, still I'm learning so many new things, so many another different things is thing. So don't try to make your life very comfortable, and don't just sit in your home and just go 10 to 7 jobs, or don't just go college. Do something big thing in your AI. If you are really building software, don't worry about losing the jobs. Just worrying about how more tools, which timing you need to learn. AI tools is weapon for you. Just think that how army, Indian army, they will use weapons, which timing, which place. So think like AI tools is like this. And don't worry about AI jobs, layoff, all these things. AI is going to replace. Agenda of this thing is, I started this thing. First of all, you guys will understand that how AI is working. Later I will jump into the real codings. Okay, so I hope today makes sense. And now I'm going to take a pause and I'll leave. If there will be any questions, please you can message in the group. So okay, thanks. I hope everything is going well, right? And share your journey on LinkedIn, share your journey on Instagram, share your journey everywhere. Document your things, whatever you are learning. Okay, I will also reshare, tag with you. I will comments on your post also. I will appreciate there also if somebody is doing good. I want to request to more boys, please you also do. Okay, in the teams, in these groups now, girls is doing. I remember that 5-6 girls I observed yesterday posted. So I want to go with boys also. Please do, you also do. Learn, build. Don't think that recorded is there, I will just watch the recorded. I want to appreciate everyone who is doing, who is learning, who is spending time. For sure it will be helpful for you. Please learn, everyone. Okay, thanks. All the best. Bye bye.